No, 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 no. Do, 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 do. Na, 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 na. Right, let's get this all up. Where is it? There we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's get this up and running. There we go. Welcome everyone. Right, I feel it nicely now. So yeah, it is Tuesday over here. Let me just get this up. We're gonna have a great day. Yesterday was a really, really good day again. Which is amazing. Good to see. Let me just put this there. Good morning everyone. Let me just change my trades taken yesterday because we caught a banger. Where was it? Morning. Alright, to get that gold one off. Okay, nice. Okay, so yeah, we are starting off this day. Let me just move my thing. My lightning bolt's fucking broken. It isn't working anymore. It kind of sucks. Don't know why. What up, man? Oh, how you doing? How you doing? Let me just get some in.
I'm doing great. After yesterday, I'm doing great.
After yes, did you take any more trades through NY?
No.
No, fair. Yeah. I had to run, but looked like you guys got it, which is nice to see. So yeah, looking like we're pretty much ready. So we got some GBP news at 9:30, which is okay. And then we've got US news later on. FOMC members speak, so that's kind of later on. So we're pretty much okay for the time being. Which is good to see. Let me just do a little Instagram. But it is looking pretty good to start off. It looks like Asian didn't move too much, even though I think actually with points wise though it has actually moved kind of a lot. It's just because it's quite volatile recently. So like from here to there, yeah, 145 pips shit. But it has been pretty much ranging the whole time. Let me just do this.
Yeah,
We are on stream now.
4-hour range.
Come join. Yeah, I saw that on the higher time frame. We'll take a look. Okay, so I got my coffee with me. I'm ready to go. So yeah, I mean, let's just get rid of all of my analysis here, and we'll go through it. Make sure to like the stream up, guys, and share it if you can. So let's take a look then. The daily time frame right now. The last one closed bullish. Very, very big candle. Good candle to potentially fill, which is pretty nice. Are we having sound, guys? Oh, guys not here. Let me check. You should be able to hear, I think.
I can hear you.
Oh, maybe the desktop audio here needs to be a little bit higher up. Is that better for desktop audio? Can you guys hear the sound? I think so.
The Zoom is okay.
Yeah, I think it's all good now. I think it's pretty good. So yeah, the daily time frame. The previous one closed bullish, but it did retrace quite a lot. I mean, a huge amount. Holy shit! Like over 250 pips, which is quite interesting. But that means that we have kind of good candles to fill, which if it wanted to continue bullish, we could get. So that is pretty nice to see. Let me just right. So yeah, the daily time frame over here is closed bullish. It's nice. The 4 hour is, yeah, looking a bit rangy over here, which isn't the nicest, to be honest with you. So looking like we're printing sideways in this area here. So just be a bit cautious that we are kind of ranging on the 4 hour time frame. Don't get kind of caught in trying to take some trades just now because it looks like it may be ranging, because you don't know if this candle is going to make a top wick here and push down, or you don't know if it's going to, 1 second, continue bullish back up to here and maybe break these highs. So it's kind of in a hard place to take trades in this area. So that's what the higher time frames are showing. The hourly time frame over here is looking like we make some support at 161,360, which is what it did before pretty much. So take a look on the 30 and the 15, you can start to see where the support was, which was, you know, here. Pretty simple, pretty easy. That's quite nice, a buy off that area. I wonder if Brian was looking at that earlier on, because I know he's up a bit earlier. It's Brian here. How would you got it? Let's take a look at the 30s. Yeah, it's all 30s closed bullish. Pretty nice. After that first hourly as well, that was pretty good. So yeah, looking like it's gradually coming back up. It may start to replicate what's happening on the left hand side, which is here. Oh shit. So it may continue back up to the daily flip, which would be nice. So for me, where would I potentially want to take trades? Well, it's pretty obvious for sells. You know, I want sells below this area. Make it simple, you know. Sells below is going to be pretty nice. 161,295. Yep. So sells below would be pretty reasonable. And where would we continue down to? Well, probably to 168.31 would be the target. So kind of a nice zone there as well, you know. Like 50 pips, which is good to see. Now for buys, okay, buys are going to be a little bit harder, because where are you going to take a buy? You know, can you take a buy here now? Not really, because it's kind of like a rough area. You don't really have the daily with you either, so it kind of sucks for buys, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, I mean, potentially what I'm thinking of is, I mean, here 162,240. Or here, but you know, it gets.
Check my setup on Telegram. It looks cleaner on 1 hour.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is our JPY.
Yeah, it's same like GJ. Almost.
Yeah, that's much better.
So it looks cleaner on 1 hour.
Much better above, yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. Beautiful. Very, very easy. A nice pip zone as well. Let's take a look at what the hourly looks like on here. Yeah, man, it's harder, man. So maybe I'll have to just wait for a buys above, which kind of sucks.
Yeah,
that's
very
like it's kind of like 100 pips away. But I mean, clean candles above there, so that's Gucci. So this is the latest I've ever gotten up. I was surprised at the zoom link. Nothing for me yet. Brian, you lazy boy. Lazy. Hit 4K subs. Oh, have we yet? Hit 4K subs. Nice.
4K max, huh?
Yeah, 4K apparently. Yeah, nice. 4K subs, nice. Change your name to King, man. So yeah, that looks okay for GJ. I think buys above here are gonna be nice. At the moment, it's kind of a hard zone. If we got sells would be pretty nice, because we're coming into this zone here. Should fill up quite quickly. So yeah, nothing too much on GJ today, but that's fine. We've been seeing, you know, every single session for the past like 8 days, 9 days. It's been pretty nice. So you know, it's okay for it to have a little off day over here.
Yeah, for sure.
Exactly. It's been blessing us quite nicely recently, so you know, it's all good. Why up so early? I'm still sideways in bed. Nah, I wanted to get up early today, didn't I? I went to bed earlier last night because I was knackered, so you know, I'm a bit fresh. Okay, so
check the GJ daily, you know, high, like high, low. See the retest.
Yeah, I think it's good. I think for sure.
Looks great. Looks great to buy.
To continue, it just may take a little long. It may take a
Yeah.
little longer. Magic Key giveaway because 4K subscribers. Ooh, maybe. Maybe towards the end of this week. Maybe. Milan, your fucking voice is not voice. Your camera thing is so annoying. Can you go to your Serbian market and get a fucking new camera, please? It's actually painful. Like you're fucking farting every 2 minutes.
I will buy today. Okay, I will buy today.
What? Yeah. Okay, so if you take a look at the gold time frame, right? The gold time frame on daily, where did this candle come to? Well, it came to a certain level of support, which is all here in these areas, which is nice to see. Rejecting the highs, which is pretty interesting. I thought it was going to continue up. Clearly has not, and now the daily has came back to a level of support. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so look at the 4 hour time frames. I mean, it's not the nicest, is it? The 4 hour time frames pretty much has no volume in at all in the previous candles. The candles closed with a very, very small body on both occasions here, so not too nice. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly making some support a little bit, and then yeah, we're kind of ranging, so it's not really too nice of a area for gold really. Take a look on the 15, you can see there's resistance at 1924 and there's like support at 1921. So where would I potentially want to take trades? Well, where is this 1918 level? Let's take a look here. Okay, 1918, let's take a look at what that looks like on the daily. So that makes sense, you know. Look at the last daily candles, they always come back down to 1917, 1918. So for me, my preferred probably move would be to potentially I mean, gold can retrace in these areas, do whatever it wants to do here, and then when we start coming back down to this area, maybe take sells to continue down because we've got clean candles to the left here. So it should be quite a nice area. So yeah, I don't want to be trading in this area, or these areas, sorry, because candles are moving quite sideways in that area. It means price will move slowly, whereas in here, this is going to move a lot quicker. So that's where I want the move. So that's where I'm going to be looking for. So I'm just going to put this in, sells below, and there we go. So it's pretty simple identifying zones. If you guys are struggling with that, make sure to just practice it every single day before you come on. See where you can potentially put your zones, all that kind of stuff. That's what you gotta do. So yep, but let's see, gold can reverse any. Yeah. So yeah, pretty interesting. For buys, I mean, let's take a look on the 30. I mean, maybe above if you wanted to. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it kind of struggles in that area, but maybe a closure above as well. The issue you have is that the daily and the 4 hour don't have much direction, so it's not like you're getting into a buy here with a massive bullish daily candle. You're not really, like, it's only like up like 20 pips or so. So that's the issue you have when you get into gold trades today. It looks like you may not have much of a stronger trend, stronger higher time frame, or trend actually, because the trend has kind of slowed down a little bit. The daily candles are now printing sideways. You know, it wasn't just like here when we were just completely buying the whole time. Now we've came down. I thought that this candle break here was going to continue back up. We have not done this. We came back to a level, and now we're just in this range, which you expect things to happen and you know, chill in range every so often, especially with current previous moves. So that's fine. Gotta wait here. Let's take a look at AJ then, our new beautiful pair. I'm gonna take a look at the trade that you guys took when I left yesterday, because I want to see.
AJ was great.
AJ
I
is.
told the guys to wait for that zone, not 10 pips.
Oh really? How did you tell them? Hold your fortress. Okay, so daily time frame, nice. So the daily time frame is kind of the same as GJ, kind of retraced quite a lot. The 4 hour time frame is okay as well. It's the actual previous 4 hour time frame closed bearish, below a little bit of support. So wouldn't surprise if this flipped to continue down. That'd be good. Kind of the same thing though on the 50-minute time frame and on the hourly time frame. We came to a certain level and we reacted off it, which makes it a lot easier to define your support. So you know, where is your support? Well, it's pretty obvious. You know, it's going to be, you know, here. This is going to be a support level, so sells below this level are going to be looking pretty nice. Where would you continue it down to? Well, this would be the first kind of zone to catch. So yeah, kind of like 40-50 pips again. Very, very nice. Sells below. Let's do this. Sells below 92.136. Beautiful. So that'll be pretty nice. I'll just put this a little bit like that. So that'll be good. And then buys again, you know, it's got to be above this area really. I mean, the only thing I could say is if you wanted to get into buys and you knew that this was holding support, then you got to get in like down here. Getting in here now in the middle of the zone is just not a vibe. So I'm just gonna have to wait for buys above this area, like this. So yeah, let's take a look then what this trade you guys took yesterday looked like. I couldn't actually see it at all. I was literally busy until like fucking 6 o'clock at night time. So yeah, that was rough. So let's take a look at where that was. So around here. So I left you like there.
Oh, it's more because we filled that left wick.
Yeah. Did
Put
you
a
get
1
on
hour check.
That was the point, to fill that wick.
there? Oh no, because that was 1 o'clock. I left you.
Yeah, I think.
I left you guys at.
Go on the 15 again.
Yeah.
It's the like the kind of doji one, the hammerhead downwards.
Ah, there.
So you left on that candle, and then it printed like that, and then we all got. Some people got in on the flip, some people got in on the next candle, breaking the lows.
Yeah, that's a nice rejection as well.
Yeah.
And then it went down all the way up. Someone said that they got break even halfway through.
Yeah. So some people who got in on the 30-minute lows, me and a few others, it wicked up. It went to like 9, whatever, wicked up, tapped, but then the flip boys were fine.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
So people on the flip were eating shit.
Yeah.
And then yeah, King Candles to the left all the way down to like there. So that was pretty good, man. That was nice. So we still know that, you know, sometimes AJ does like, pull back, but the whole point of it was there any drawdown like in any of them entries really?
Fuck all.
Yeah, exactly. So it's pretty good, man.
AJ's been nice to us.
Yeah, AJ's been too good to us. Let's take a look at some questions on YouTube. Has anyone taken any trades and have lost them today? I always want to look at losing trades because it helps everyone out. Oh shit, my camera's like really far fucking out. So yeah, we've analysed all the pairs. Now we're just sitting back and we're waiting. Sitting back and waiting, relaxing. Yeah, make sure to go follow the Instagram as well. I'm going to be posting yesterday's trade on today. And yeah, looking like gold is rejecting the highs, which is kind of interesting. Let's take a look at this hourly. 35 minutes left. Noise. My 10k for gold and GJ. Well, lot size. You should risk like £100 per GJ if you're starting off. So a 1 lot.
1 lot.
1 lot, and then on gold I would use a half lot. Yeah. And you should be set. Bro, what is your buy above for gold? My buy above for gold is, I mean, you know, you could potentially get it at 1924. 1924.5. That's where you're going to start looking for buys on gold. But I'm not too worried in rushing that for sure. So yeah. That's fine with me. Gold 4-hour flip, fill left side wicks. Yeah, I mean, you know, yes, it is a 4-hour flip, etc. But you know, look at the candles, man. Is it really like filling, or you know, is it filling the previous 4-hour wicks, or is it just ranging? You know, trying not to think too much into certain areas when price is just ranging, you know. But what you're gonna do is if you get a closure below 921.7, you're gonna get a nice drive down to 918. So that is the trade that you're gonna be looking for. Gold looks like ranging, yeah, exactly. So I want them to pass these areas here because I'll be exceeding those of 4 hours, and then we're gonna get a nice drive down. That's what I expect. So yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys, if you're new here. We've just broken down everything. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. I want to get 100 likes every time. Easy work. I've been having scammers copy your stop loss matters name and offering courses to earn more than 750k a week, and they want to give me money and all this nonsense. Yeah, I know. I've had a lot of people message me about them. Wow, they want to give you money? Shit. That's nice. Using sell stop? No. I'm gonna wait for closures. And probably wait for the hourly, maybe. This is closing in 3 minutes time. It doesn't look like he's gonna close below, so I'm just gonna wait for a closure below. And then GJ is just in a very big higher time frame range, so yeah, I'm not really looking too much on that, but that's fine, you know. The biggest part of trading is learning when to like take trades on a chart and when to not. And like for me, like if I'm already like ticking, like for me, am I looking at taking many trades on GJ right now? It would be a no. So, you know, mentally in my head, I'm already kind of doing this. Like, I'm kind of like, you know, nope. If I'm looking at gold, the gold is a yes, because, you know, I'm looking at the downside over here. This is what I'm focusing on. And I know that if price comes down to this area, I'm going to execute quite nicely in this area. Okay? I mean, maybe same for the buys up here as well. Maybe you could try, but I'll see how the closures go, because it is still clean candles to the left there. But I just like this zone better. And then same thing for AJ. You look, you go, you know, it's just kind of in a range. You know, I'm not really too bothered about it. It's not really looking like an opportunity at the moment. So, you know, I'm not thinking about it too much. So, yeah, like that's why I don't really need to like worry about different things, because I kind of know what I'm already set on, and now I just wait. Just like we did yesterday, you know. Yesterday, GJ and AJ both ran like a rocket. I missed both moves, but I didn't really get pissed off because I was focused on gold, and then I took my 15 pips and went. Then I actually ran a bit more. I wish I got into them second gold entries because they were fire. Where was it? Yeah, here. That one there is good. 18 pip stop and a 35, 50 pip gain. That was tasty, that. Close full at 1-1 or close partials at 10 pips runner to next level. Which one is best? It all depends on your zones. So for example,
just wait for the zones.
Yeah, so for example, man, if you're taking sells, if you got into a sell here, right, for some reason, and your 1-to-1, let's just say your 1-to-1 was like that. 1 second. Then I would close pretty much 100% of that. Why? Because we're coming to a support and the zone isn't big enough to do this. Whereas if I get into a trade here, with a stop loss there, and take profits here, then I'm going to be running a lot more because the zone I'm going into is a lot bigger, you know. It's all about how big the zone is, all about how the higher time frames look. Because we're ranging quite hard on these time frames, the probability that we launch, you know, like we did yesterday, is pretty low because the higher time frames not showing me any direction. So if that's the case, then I probably won't run as much. I'll probably close most, you know. So it should be up. Gold is long, mate. I think you're maybe I think you're maybe looking at the wrong chart.
Nobody knows. So ranging.
Yeah, it doesn't look very long at the moment. Let's just say that daily candle yesterday was not very long, was it? It was long all the way down.
In general, it's up. If you look at the higher time frames, the lower the time frame, well, you just have to keep in mind what time frames right in front of it are doing. If you're looking at the 15-minute, you have to keep a close eye on the 1 hour.
Exactly.
The daily doesn't matter as much as it does. from the 15th.
Yeah, that was correction on long time frame. Yeah. But I wouldn't say like today is bullish. I think that's what I'm trying to say. I'm saying today is definitely not bullish yet because, well, look at the 4-hour time frames. You know, there's no confirmation. There's not even a 4-hour bullish closure that gives me any confirmation that we're holding support. So I'm saying try not to focus.
Yeah, gold until NY nothing.
Yeah, like, well, try and focus on, yeah, the trend is bullish, but does that mean today is going to be bullish just like yesterday is going to be bullish? Well, no. You know, it's not going to work like that. The overall trend is still bullish, so it should respect the support level, but there is no buys to take right now. More so the sells, so yeah. I really believe this week gold is to be bearish. The only way it will be bullish, it looks like later the week. Yeah. Well, that big rejection from 1960 was kind of interesting. 1960, where the fuck was it? Yeah, all the way up here. I thought it was going to continue back.
Yeah, but
above.
check gold daily. The zone is so strong.
Yeah.
So strong. I'm bullish overall.
Later of the week, Friday NFP. Yeah, I'm bullish overall. I'm just saying today is not a vibe.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Then 30 likes, beautiful work. 136 viewers right now. Yeah, has anyone taken any Asian trades? It doesn't look like there was many, apart from the supports forming on both AJ and GJ were pretty nice. Maybe after that hourly closed. Yeah, the 15s are kind of weak, so wasn't too good. We need more likes, exactly, man. Make sure you like the stream up. Yesterday, why you close positions at 15 pips left side clean range? Because I was happy with it, and if I held it on like some retard in the chat did, Finn, you got caught out, and then it continued later. So I was happy with my 15 pips. I made like 1%. And yeah, and if it, you know what I say, you know, is I closed 80%. So if it wanted to continue down here, like I wanted it to, with the clean candles to the left, it would have done that in that move, but it didn't. It pulled back up, it fannied about, it came back into a lot of drawdown, and then I could have re-entered if I was still on the stream, which I thought I should have done, which was here. I would have re-entered the trade here with the 18 pip stop, and then I would have taken profits probably about 36 pips in the space of like 5 minutes. So for me, it's the whole part of gold is, you know, I'm not holding drawdown, you know. I want to get in when we get a push. When I get the push, great, I'm eating. I don't care how many pips you take. I don't really care how many pips, you know, someone else takes. I'm taking my money. Happened last week as well. We were waiting on this gold trade. It was kind of flipping in and out of profit, and then when we got that one push, you know, I took my profits at like 25-30 pips and I was out, because that's all I need. Being in a trade for a long time, especially on gold when it's near your entry, is not a vibe. I wait for the push, I get the push and I'm out. And where do I learn that from? Well, Ted pretty much does that all the time, you know. He gets in for an entry, he waits for a push, he gets his money and he leaves. No point holding it on, going, it's going to continue down, and then you hold it, you're up 15 pips, then it goes into 20 pips drawdown, and then, you know, you finally take it, you know. I'd have to spend more money on deodorant for my balls than I would for the actual trade, so I'd rather not do it. Your commissions will be double after the fucking sweaty balls you have to. Ted, no push, no trade, simple. Yeah, exactly. So when I'm looking for goal, I'm looking for where we get the push, where we get the drive. Learn to earn. Sometimes it's worth closing full with profits. For example, gold had a slippage yesterday, and many people partially closed and went back to break even. Exactly, you know. That's what you got to think. For me, I left 20% on because I could see the clean zone. Didn't work out, but I still made like 1%, so don't really care. You need volatility to trade. I have to disagree. I don't think you need volatility. You need momentum. So volatility is movement of price in any direction. Momentum is movement of price in one direction. I think movement in price in one direction is going to make trades a lot easier. Controller effects, and you learn from Ted. Yeah, and Raja. I think controller even admitted this now or not? I think he has. But yeah, you need a brain gulag. Let's take a look. Someone sent me a chart last night. How is the markup? This is at 3 a.m. Okay, beautiful. So actually this is at 3 a.m. and you can see over here one of my students has actually marked up exactly what I'm looking for. Buys above 92831, no trading zone because it's kind of a hard area, and then sells below. So beautiful work, very, very simple. That's all you need, man. You just got like 4 lines on there, making it simple. Same thing as Milan here. So make sure to send some charts in if you need any help, and we'll take a look at that. Even if he has confirmed, you wouldn't understand. Yeah. Gold can hurt, especially if you have a big lot size. Yes. If you don't respect gold, I mean, the amount of time I look at this, right? So, you know, gold really respects areas. So if you don't have volume, so you'll see Raja potentially maybe taking a buy like here sometimes. But it'll be an NY session, it'll be with a shitload of volume, and that's when you'll take it. You won't be taking it in normal places. You'll only be
I blew account so many times on gold.
Yeah.
So many times. It all really fucked me.
Oh yes. Been swinging and doing good there, so started scalping last week. It's new and a bit different. Any advice? The advice I would give someone starting scalping if they're swinging is look for where you have the cleanest candles, stick with the right volume at that time. Try not to trade all day, because you'll try and take a trade which looks amazing at one part of the day, and you've actually never traded that day that hour before, so you don't know how things move. So that's why we stick to, you know, a couple times a day, because you know how it moves in that area. We know how it moves. My support is 161560 1561560 to take a sell on GJ. So 560. I mean here, well, yeah, fair enough. I mean, great. You've got a little zone to come down. It's actually enough zone. It's 27 pips, 26 pips. Great. I mean, maybe you could, maybe with the 4-hour flip as well. Maybe.
Squeezing.
Yeah, I mean, the zone's actually big because of how big the candles are recently, but for me, I'd rather just wait until below, and then, oh shit, if we wait for below, we've got candles to the left here, so, and that'll be Josie. Is it possible to trade without the candle flip and just go base of closures and breaks of highs? Just asking if I ever switch to higher time. Yeah, you can do, you know, exceeding of highs. A lot of, you know, if you look at the last webinar that I put on in the chat, you know, breaking of highs is the best option really if you've got enough zone and stuff, because it gives you the push. Closures are hard because, I mean, I only advise like a closure if, you know, you've got already a rejection wick. So for example, if you're in a sell or you're looking for a sell, and you just get this candle doing this, then you've already had the top wick, so then maybe you could potentially enter on the opening here for just a little drive like that, because normally the lower wick on the next candle here can be quite small because the previous one was so big. So you can do it, but you got to just you know, take your battles. So yeah, ooh, a lot of questions here. My winning trade, I book partials. My losing trade, completely eat that. Any profits? Any advice? Ooh. Well, you got to manage your losses then. It seems like your losses you're not managing. So why are you doing that? You're trying to hold your trade on a bit too long. Are you trying to maybe hold on to your losses, even though you know it's going to be a loss? You know, one of the things that I think when you get good at trading and you start doing is yes, at the moment when you're learning, you have certain values. You know, you go, you know what? If this 50-minute closes against me, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna close 50%, etc., etc. But when you get good and start, like, you know, knowing things and feeling things, you'll start to realize that this is not going to be a good outcome, even though you maybe haven't had the 15 closure yet, and you could get out in 2 pips drawdown, and then you just take that because you know it's not working the right way, as you'd normally expect, and that's how you can really manage it. So yeah, try and think of maybe ways to get out a bit earlier, maybe. What helped me actually, I mean, recently it hasn't actually happened that much, but with my FX book, if you put your account into there, it'll show you all your trades, all your winners, and all of your losers. In your losing trades, it'll show you what was the average time of the losing trades. For me, the longer the trade was, the less probability I would win. Okay, so I think it was like above like 15 or 20 minutes. We're starting to get a bit of a lower probability. So knowing this, if you're in a trade 15 minutes in and it's still at your entry and it's not really working too well, and you know your profitability is going down in these areas, just take it off. You know, if you can get a break even there. Taking partial profits is good, but taking partial losses when a trade is going against you is something people forget to do. Taking a partial loss is still better than a full stop loss getting hit. Yeah, exactly. You know, closing half is really, really good. Yeah. Oh yes.
Fucking gold is not moving. Check the 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Fucking nothing.
Just a nice relaxing morning then, eh?
Yeah.
All three look a bit.
Yeah, exactly. They look a bit meh. There's a big quick zone where you want to wait for gold sells. Ah, which is here.
Yeah, just there.
Yeah. That's okay. Forex analysis, stop spamming. Holy shit. When you take buy on GJ Max, above here. 162629. Yeah. A little while longer, guys. It's not too rushing into it right now. Looks like maybe gold may break above, but I don't know, for the buys. I'm not really liking the buys, to be honest with you. I remember you saying that you changed to percentage on gold at 10 pips. How much percentage are you at the point, if that makes sense? Well, 1.2% on gold. Yeah, that's what I risk per trade. To be honest with you, it is getting a bit better now, but still, I'm just gonna keep it like that. I like it, you know. I seem to be fine with
1.2 up to a bit. Boy.
Well, 1.2 for whatever the trade was. If it was 20 pips, then it'd be 1.2. Yeah.
On gold, you risk 1.2.
Yeah. I'm quite confident with it right now. When it happens, it happens, you know. It's nice. Yeah, I was kind of happy with that, and yeah, GG is just the same. GG's. Yeah,
I guess it's just the same. If you're using the pip risk, it's fine.
Yeah.
Because if you fix a lot, sometimes gold just gives you 20 pip, 10 pip, 15 pip, 30 pip. So you're like, okay, I'll just fix a lot, like half risk.
Yeah.
Then if it's 30 pips, 20 pips, you just percent risk it 1.2 every time. I guess it's the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Exactly. So not really too bothered. NFP and end of the month gold may not be as clean till then. Yeah, that's true. So this month as a whole, I mean, at the start was kind of, you know, not the best. I think GJ was pretty much non-existent. But it looked like through the middle of the month we started to get a lot of moves, which is good. Yeah. Take a look at that entries one for that, and then when to run and when not to run. Nice little videos telling you. But yeah, when was our last gold tree? Oh, yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah. Pretty nice. So yeah, blew my first 7 accounts on gold. Definitely taught me about patience. Yeah. Oh yeah, gold can really fuck you up. So Ali's closing in 50 minutes time. yeah, nothing much that's, you know, sparking interest right now, so I'm just gonna wait a little longer. You could go, this is looking nice, and yeah, it's looking good, but you know, the 4-hour time frame for me is the thing that's kind of like, is it really gonna go anywhere? You know, the last candles over here pretty much suck. The daily time frame on the previous was pretty bearish, so this is when you gotta relax, you know. Bro, which platform should I choose to learn all the basics as a beginner? I've been learning and trying to put those stuff into trading, but I've been only losing so far and blew up my account. Which platform? I don't think the platform's the issue. I think you mean, I'm trying to think. I think you mean
Baby pips is the way to go. I think.
Yeah.
If you want to learn everything from
Yeah, baby is
Forex
great.
is baby
Yeah.
pips.
Baby pips if you're new. Baby pips.
I know a better platform.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's called Stop Loss Matters.
Yeah, stop
Hey.
matters.
That's the worst. That's the worst.
That's the worst. Max, you know it's pretty crazy that you made 8% recently. Ah, not crazy, man. Last week was piss, man. Last week was piss. I could have run that bitch up to like 20%, man. Every single GJ trade worked. Every single one. It was tasty. 8% cute, lol. Fuck off, Brian. Yeah, how much percentage did you make, Brian, last week? Shit. That was stinking. 40 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream if you are new here. Yeah, it's 7:47. We're coming towards the London Open.
Hey Max, do you have any scammers like fake accounts, like a Stop Loss Matters fake?
Yeah,
something like
yeah. There's loads.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah,
You
there's,
do?
there's fucking loads of them. I get like messaged every day about them. Like, yeah, I can't do anything about it, bro.
What are they doing? They asking for money or?
They're talking about crypto or something. Yeah. That's mad, Brian. Good lad. How many losses have you taken this month?
Brian is a beast.
Yeah. To be fair, let's take a look over here. I'm trying to see losses. When was our last loss? Our last loss was on the 18th here. -5.
You're not sending anymore the weekly report. Max?
I got home at 12 o'clock on Sunday night. So I was fucking knackered. I was not doing that. Oh, the weekly report of the trades.
Yeah, of the
Oh
singles,
yeah. I'll do that.
You know, like before you were sending.
Nah, yeah. I did. I think I just missed last week's. Biggest loss was 6 pips. That's nice, man. Yeah. Let's take a look when our next trade was. Fucking hell, look at all these trades. Yeah, this is when we got a little break evens because GJ just wouldn't run. Holy shit! Wait. GJ. Where the fuck was our last loss? Have we taken one loss this month? Oh no, I had the gold one as well, which accidentally got deleted. There we go. Hit stop there. And then the first. Yeah, so we're taking 3 losses and the rest wins. Shit. The rest wins, boy. Easy. What steps should I take in learning to understand the charts and improve my Forex knowledge? Get your ass on the stream every single morning and listen. GJ short, I think. You think, or do you know, or do you think? For me, it's still above this 4 hour, so nice. For me, I want sells below, and this kind of makes sense in the 4 hour time frame as well, because you know, look what we're at, right? So we're bullish, came up. Oh shit! 1 second. That was horrendous drawing. 1 second. So like we were bullish here, making higher highs, higher lows. Came up. You know, this could be making a higher low to then continue up to make the higher high. Now, The difference is, with taking cells down here, is that it'll be breaking the high of the previous back below, so it should fill this area here. Whereas if you take cells right now, it's still above this area, and we know when we come back to resistances here, we could make some support, so that ain't too good.
Next, I got one pair, which is good GA for sale.
I'm not even looking at fucking GA. It sucks. My spreads on it are like fucking gash.
I know, I'm just.
But is it? Let's take a look.
It's
Nah,
great.
It's not bad. GA. Have you had any losing week before? Yeah, for sure. I think in February, definitely did. But I mean, not like an aggressive, like, oh my god, we're fucking down. Maybe like a 1.2% or like what 2% maybe. So yeah, that's the good part, man. So when we have like a losing week or like when it's really hard, which is very rare, the losses is very small because we just manage risk. So that's all it is.
Check GA, please. Next.
Okay. GA, 189 people in here. Make sure to like the stream up, guys. Make sure to like it up.
1 hour looking great.
Yeah, coming below 4 hour and daily pushing to fill that wick in 20 pips time.
So good. So bearish.
Yeah, it does look pretty. Ah man, the 30 support's right there. But yeah, it looks pretty good later on for sure, I think. I've had many losing weeks last year if you're asking me, but we keep them small. A good quote I've come across: there's a time to go long and time to go short and a time to go fishing. Yes. Oh yes. Time to go fishing. 7 minutes left then, so we just got a 30-minute candle closure bearish, and then this one is also exceeded the low. I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet and I will be back ready to trade.
Mama's boy. Oh, GA looking great. Anybody trading with the GA?
No, the spreads are not interesting for me.
Yeah, mine's 11, 10. My first one.
Mine's 14 at the moment. That's a bit too much.
Yeah, looks like a gold.
Actually bought a new fishing rod. Oh damn, I like to go fishing, man, but doing it in England is probably going to be the most boringest thing ever because you'll be fishing fucking, I don't even know what fish we have here. Do you have crocodiles in South Africa? Carp fishing, ah. Brian, do you have crocodiles?
Crocodiles.
Yeah, they should have crocodiles. That's Africa. Africa native, isn't it? And alligators are like America. Oh.
Yeah, but
What's the difference between
a croc
the crocodile and the alligator?
Alligators have alligators. It's something about their teeth and also their snouts. Alligator snouts are wider, aren't they?
Like longer and like
yeah.
Crocodiles are like more stumpy.
Crocodiles have more like a slimmer like thing, but it's something to do with their teeth as well. About 60 crocs. Wait, why was there a croc farm? Who the fuck just has a croc farm? What are they farming? Fucking murderers. croc is fat, alligator is thin. Yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah.
No, but an alligator.
No, the opposite.
Look at
Oh,
this
the croc
snout.
is shredded.
Yeah, but
Croc
in
is
good.
shredded.
The crocodile is fatter and the alligator is thin.
Get a
Like
comparison picture up.
profile.
Look, that's a
Like-
mother. That's a snout of an alligator. Look how wide it is, and then look at croc. Wait, crocodile.
It looks like he's shredded.
Alligators have webbed feet also. Crocodiles don't have the swimming webs between their toes.
Yeah, look, that's an alligator. Yeah. An alligator is more like. Oh, look at the croc. The croc's like teeth are fucking out. Look at this one. Yeah, look at a croc. It's like really like pointy. This alligator looks scary to me. Like, look how meaty the alligator's mouth is.
Yeah, so there's
Alligator is basically
two
a fat
crocodile farms in South Africa. And one had an outbreak.
Yeah, shit. Yeah, and alligators are like fatter.
Imagine that happened in the UK. People would shit themselves. Imagine that.
I'm really fascinated with crocodiles. Like they've been here for so long and they just fuck shit up, man. Do you know
Been
what?
in the game for a long time.
Yeah, man, they're just vibing. Like, bro, we've been here time. I've seen like dinosaurs roaming around. Like, I'm chilling.
Yeah, technically they're the dominant species, right?
Yeah,
They've been there
yeah.
the longest. We're fucking nothing.
Yeah, them and sharks, isn't it? Is sharks there? Sharks.
Yeah, like descendants of sharks,
Yeah,
probably.
yeah.
Yeah. The bomb is
Lots of
shit.
sharks in South Africa.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but have you seen like the hippopotamuses with like crocodiles? Mate, they fuck them up. I'm surprised that the hippos are bad. They're the I think apparently they're the one thing like you just don't want to fuck with if you go anywhere near.
Yeah, they're like the most dangerous animal.
Yeah, like they don't let you
Yeah.
be in their territory. They will just fuck you up, and they don't even eat you either. They'll just kill you. They just graze fucking grass, and then if you come near them,
Yeah.
they can go quick. I've seen like a chase. It was when someone's been on like a boat, and god damn, they can fucking fly through water.
What's
Hey,
gonna
Brian,
kill,
was it
like-
part in South Africa when the old sharks come to, mate, once a year?
Ah,
Yeah, there's a couple of areas here where they come and spawn.
nice.
I was just find a video. I'll send a video in the Telegram group, and you
I
can
know
check.
there's one place, especially in South Africa, with the old sharks from all around the world coming in some South Africa, some place. I don't know which one.
South Africa is full of sharks, man.
Yeah.
No crocs in Africa, just looting.
Daddy, yeah, he's not wrong.
Let's take a look. People eat crop. Yeah. Bro went to the zoo today and the damn hippo farted loud as fuck. Nah, hippos for me and like orcas, like the killer whales. They're the two things I just wouldn't want to mess with. God dang.
Yeah, strong bite.
Ooh, Auli's flipping on GJ. Yeah, man. I mean, GJ buys may work out over here. They look pretty
Counts the
good.
volume.
Yeah, it's just the zone. The zone is just.
AJ's gone.
Was?
Ooh, GA.
AJ.
Ooh.
AJ.
Yeah. To be fair, that's actually not too far from where we could take trades, so. Yeah, the higher timers for me, I'd rather have it a little bit higher. It was flipped the daily though, which is good to see. So maybe AJ's 15 minutes ahead of GJ today, like yesterday. I think we missed AJ. I don't think we've really missed anything. Maybe that 15-minute was actually kind of nice. Shit, yeah, that was actually kind of nice. The only issue you have is the left-hand side, so we would just squeezed out 17 pips there, 11 pips stop. Very, very nice. Looking like gold's closed above. Let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame though. Yeah, the 4 hours still struggling for a direction, so yeah, kind of hard. So GJ looking like it's potentially going to continue up, which is nice. But for me, it kind of closed a little bit below this area as well, kind of respecting this. So I don't really like that too much, which is fine. And AJ, the hourly is closed bullish. Very nice. So yeah, can't really see too much. GA is making a low. Nice. GU is pushing. Nice. Any entries so far? Nah, nothing too yet. We still got an hour though, so. I mean, goddamn, if this gold flips and exceeds the high, maybe an impulsive trade. But as I said, the zone is pretty bad, and the higher time frame is not really showing me anything. Anyone thinking about getting into GJ a bit lower down? Anyone thinking about it? Maybe this makes a low wick and then pops back up. Down to like 794, reflip. The first resistance is actually, yeah, 26 pips away. So even though the zones are kind of like choppy, the actual pips in the measurements is actually kind of big. Because how big it's ran. Yesterday GJ turned into gold. God dang, everything was like 200 pips. Ridiculous. So yeah, I'm thinking about ADJPY. Yeah. Let's take a look at the 4 hour now. 4 hours reacted nicely off that support it's made. The daily time frame has obviously flipped. It's got a nice candle to fill. For sure, I think for me, I'm just gonna maybe wait a little bit longer. Wait a little bit longer. It's a shame that 30 didn't just close a little bit higher because it is right at that resistance, so kind of a scary area. We'll see though. If we do get some resistance forming in this area, then damn man, maybe to this support could be pretty nice. That's 60 pips away, so. And that would reflip the 4 hour, and the 4 hour would then fill that, so. Yeah, we'll see. Keep my eyes open, but you know, if things aren't like coming straight to you and like you can see you move, then you know, chill. I was waiting for gold sells below this area 1921. Hasn't happened yet, so we just chilling.
GA is dropping.
Yeah, maybe continue down. Where would it continue down to? Oof.
Nowhere, man.
Nowhere. Yeah, it's right at that level. Yeah, selling the lows here without it breaking. I mean, it could go down a bit further. 1.72. Yeah, it's like still 200 pips away to them lows, but it's right at that level now. Right at that level. 60 likes, guys. We just hit 4,000 subscribers. We should just celebrate. Send me some YouTube clips. We should do clips of all like the trades we're taking. That'd be pretty cool. Someone could do that edit of all like the trades we could be taking like with a nice clip. That'd be pretty cool. Brian, what the fuck did you take?
AJ.
You took the 15, yeah, you cheeky fucker. Oh, GJ. Nah, you got AJ. That's AJ. How much is stops be right now? Yeah, they're pretty aggressive. Pretty aggressive stops. Ooh, have you got a little runner up to 9.3? I mean, you could run this maybe. I mean, if it broke that high, shit. Got a nice runner. Brian didn't even know what pair he's taking a trade on. Oh, another subscriber. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I want to hear that that bell a little bit more today. After hitting 4,000 subscribers, man. Busy looking for that shark vid. I don't trust these buys on GJ yet. I don't like the 4 hour. I don't like it. Oh, thank you, Wealth Building, for that little donation. Amazing. Just like congrats on 4K. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, man. I'm only starting in September or August, maybe. Pretty good. Did you maybe accidentally take a trade in AJ based on how GJ was looking? Oh my god, imagine. And it paid off nicely. You took a GJ trade and it was actually on AJ. Yeah, man, shit, I might have missed that one. That 50-minute closure above was pretty good. The left was still pretty crap, to be honest with you, but I mean, it had the volume, so. And the lower wick was pretty nice. You looking for buys in GJ or sells? I don't know yet. It's kind of hard. I am indecisive on both, so that's why I'm just waiting. Because this 30-minute candle here, or the 15, sorry, it didn't close above this resistance. So, you know, it could cause resistance to continue back down. It could, you know, close above to then continue up. It's in a delicate situation. I don't know where it's going to go. So that's when you got to sit back and just relax for the time being. Yeah, we were too busy looking at the crocodile shit. Man, they're mental. I'd love to see a great white in the wild though. That would be one of the things I'd like to see. But that's so hard, man. I see like videos on like TikTok of like they're just like on a boat and they just see all that. Like, oh my god, that'd be so sick. Has anyone seen a great white? I've seen a dead one.
No.
No.
I saw lots of whales.
I've seen plenty, Brian. Shit. You shit your pants. Are they massive? Hello, greetings from Serbia. Oh, hello, hello. We've got a lot of Serbians in here as well.
Who's that?
He's called Zoran Susaka. Milan's from Serbia and Stefan's from Serbia.
Zdravo Zoran, zdravo Zoran.
Kizo, there si Kizo.
Yeah, let me show my YouTube of Milan yesterday. He was flexing his muscles. Let me embarrass him.
Mama's boy.
But this is
Hey guys, the video was great.
This is the Serbian Ronaldo.
C-O-N-Y. Peace out.
Serbian Ronaldo. There's a Serbian Ronaldo today. If only I seen a brown bear in the wild. Luckily I was in a car. Oh, brown bear shit.
Yeah, they run around here, so.
Yeah.
Spend some time in the woods. Bound to see one.
Yeah, I saw them a lot on Alaska.
Alaska, yeah.
I saw them a lot.
Kinda chock-a-blocker at the moment, very tricky. Yeah, exactly. So, you know, just be patient. It looks like GJ may get this little pull-up over here. 5 minutes left for this candle. The hourly doesn't have much of a bottom wick, but the last one does, so it's kind of fine. And we'll see. Take a look at the 4 hour. The only issue is the 4 hour, man. The 4 hour time frame for me is just in a range. But we'll see. Listen to Joe Rogan's podcast on predators, their jokes. Yeah, I love Joe Rogan's podcasts.
Yeah, me too. I like him.
Yeah, the only one I didn't like it was Kanye's one, man. I had to turn that shit off. I was going insane. He didn't shut the fuck up about God the whole time. Like, Jesus Christ, every single thing he said was about God. But oh my God, this is draining.
What was this?
It's fucking Joe Rogan's podcast with Kanye.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it was actually painful to listen to because he was just saying the same thing again and again. Oh my God, sounds like
He's just losing his mind.
Yeah. He wasn't that like when he was younger. He didn't talk about this like God thing all the time. Like he did it like in a nice way, you know. But it seems like it's kind of like he's gone a bit too wild on it. Yeah, 5 minute looks good closing above for sure, for sure. I want to see this 15 close in 4 minutes time though. Just seems to be struggling a little bit that area. So, Max, can you please look at Euro USD? What do you think of Euro USD? Oh, people looking one day for Euro USD. Okay, let's take a look. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, looking pretty bullish, eh? On the hourly time frame, the daily starting to exceed the high the previous, made a little bit of support. The overall trend is bearish, however, but yeah, it looks pretty good. The hourly's closed above. I mean, looking potentially nice to continue. Let me just move this here to 1.10200. However, I don't know how Euro USD moves at all in the slightest. It looks kind of choppy, to be honest with you. So, yeah, I mean,
yeah, on 1 hour, so many small candles.
Yeah,
in the past,
and
there's no volume that appear.
Yeah, and it looks like at the moment this candle's just closed weak bullish, suggesting that maybe a loss of buys in the market. So, yeah, not really nice. I would avoid Euro USD at all costs. Stick on AJ, man. If you're new, stick on AJ. It's just easy. Every time it looks like it's a buy, probably is. So just buy it. Just buy it up, boy. Just buy it up. So let's take a look at GJ now. Oof, yeah, it's struggling. Yeah, it's been a bit cautious in that area because 161,900 was a key level that I hadn't closed above, and I was a bit cautious in that area. So that's what I did, man.
Oof, the GA looks great.
Maybe AJ 50-minute closure above 840. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think if I wanted to get in there, I think it would have been Brian's entry there. I think too high here now. I think I'm probably gonna leave it until over here. I don't want to like take a trade knowing that it's not in my best interest, so I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, as you can see here, you can see pretty clearly that GJ at this time. Look at the resistance. Hadn't closed above, so I was waiting for that 15 to close bullish, maybe above. It looks like we may not. A 5-minute candle came out of nowhere. So yeah, we'll see 192 people in here. As I said before, I want to see. Let's change the music, lol. I feel like we're in a kid's bedroom. That's what NY's for, man. NY's for. We have our tunes on. Yeah, make sure to send some charts in the Discord if you took any losing trades. I might make that actually a losing trade. Thing, so you can like take a look at people's losing trades. Where did you go wrong? What was the reason for? How could you improve? Because that's what you're gonna improve on, you know. This was Daniel yesterday at 8:43. Oh yeah, that was the NZD one we take a look at actually. Clean candles to the left in the 4 hour looked pretty good. Just had to wait a little bit longer. Very nice. Whoa, GJ is pushing down over here. Nice work. Take a look on the 5 minutes. Yeah, man, it just dropped off this 5 minute. But I mean, it makes sense, right? Resistance, so wouldn't be buying there. Wouldn't be buying there. Looks like a bit of JBPY news. Let's take a look. Let's take a look in the news column.
Oh, GA, fucking no entry on GA.
To come out weekend look like. Oh yeah. Yeah, kind of hard. New Chinese tax breaks set to boost consumption. Interesting. So it looks like gold closed back up in the range, which makes sense. You know, look at the 4-hour now, still ranging. So if you guys haven't taken any trades yet, don't worry. You shouldn't have really taken any apart from that AJ was kind of nice because the low wick gave you the, you know, it gave you closure above bottom wick. Nice. That was the only thing I could have seen for the meantime. So nice. So yeah, 50 minutes just closed bearish now. We should maybe be a little bit careful over here, taking them buys at that resistance. So if you guys took a trade maybe there, trying to get in, no, what went wrong? How could you have maybe not got into that trade? And the only thing that I could have probably say to myself was, you know, I did it right. I wanted to wait for this next 15 to close like this, like that, to then maybe potentially get buys to flip the daily and push up to next resistance. So, and that's why I didn't take it.
In Brian's already taken his win. He's still shit.
Yeah, Brian. Yeah, you should have called out Brian, you pussy.
Yeah, there's the Brian fire signals. Still shit.
Yeah, man. We need the Patel signals in.
For fuck's sake. Max has 100% stream record.
That's sick.
Yeah, that's what I said. As soon as he took his trade and it was a winner, I was like, okay, don't give out anymore.
Yeah, 100%.
Quit while you're ahead.
Yeah, shit, because you'll be on a high right now. Wait until you take a losing trade and everyone took it, bro. It feels like ass.
Yeah. I'm retiring now, that's it.
Yeah. Nah, trading when you're doing that with like the signals thing, it's so up and down. Like, fuck, if a week is so bad, like, holy shit, you just have to like go, yeah, well, it just sucks. For me, like, the good thing is that I don't actually look at my like account or really care about it at all. I'm just thinking of you guys. So if we take a loss, I'm like, oh, fuck, man, that's annoying for the guys.
I think we're right now though, because people take them if they agree with the setup.
Yeah,
so
that's why I like.
Yeah, if people come just to fucking literally copy exactly, then it's just like, bro, what are you doing? Like, because if you take a loss, you're gonna just stress about it. But
yeah, exactly. I like that. You know, use your own brain as well. But yeah.
Yeah, because a lot of those trades, everybody had a slightly different
entries. Yeah, exactly. But I like that because it's putting your own spin on things. You know, would you get it on the flip? Would you get it on the low?
Yeah, yesterday I was gutted that we got BE, but because it was 2 minutes left of the 15, and we had just flipped, and I had like open cow cup. We'd like come back bullish again. I was like, it's only 2 minutes. If I just wait 2 minutes, I can wait for another wick and then go on the break. but that like that 2 pip difference saved the BE off that.
Didn't took that GJ because 5 minute high wasn't broken. Was a lucky one. Oh god, I bet you were fucking night. Oh shit, it looks like it's come back up now though. Shit, boy. Take a look at gold. Ooh. Ooh. Shame it's fucking 11 minutes left. You're gonna have to hold your nutsack on if it wants to close like this now. If you look at the 5 minute. Yeah. How much is stop speed right now? Oh, 23 pips. That's tasty. It's kind of tasty. 4 hours breaking the lows of previous is, but because we're in a range of market and impulse is not working too well at the moment, as I can see here from the left, I am just gonna wait for a closure. If it runs off, that's fine. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna take a trade. So it's a win-win for me. The GJ is reflipping now. The 30 minutes got a nice low wick. The hourly now has got a nice low wick. Interesting. Interesting. And a GJ trade, 30-minute flip, close at 10 pips downside. Oof. Yeah, it's fair enough. It came down pretty aggressively, so. Fair enough, fair enough. That cannot turn green. Yeah, but I mean, you took a lot of drawdowns, so I think, you know, don't get too worked up on if you lost a trade here. You know, just work at what went wrong. Well, you're at resistance, so. Whereas in 10 minutes time, if this 30-minute close is bullish, then I'm gonna have a look at nice trades above. So You know, it's all about that. You know, just look, there was resistance right here. It didn't close above, so you had that. You had that. You know, probability that it could just reject there, and it did. So just gotta learn from it and go next time. Maybe not take the trades right at resistance. Just wait for a closure above. Looks like AJ is still being beautiful even now when it's not even moving that much. Not exceeding the lows of previous, is always exceeding highs. It's bloody gorgeous. Brian, you still got a runner on? Up to like 38 pips would be nice there. Very nice. Yes, more nice. I mean, if AJ breaks here, then shit, even it could be eating quite nicely.
Next, take a look at AJ 4 hour. If it closes above that area like it's now, it's really super for continuation up, and it's clean.
Yeah, later on. Yeah, for sure. The daily's bullish as well. If it exceeds its own high, it should continue. Back up to 93881. Yeah, that would be good. Maybe later on through NY. I think someone says, can you trade AJ through NY? And yes, but it just is quite slow, but it does work, so yeah. Oh yeah, that was it there. So GJ finally coming up a little bit. Potentially flipping the daily. Which is nice. Oh my god, this volume coming out of nowhere, shit. Okay, GJ. Okay, GJ. Let's look at AJ. Is AJ coming to the highs? Nearly. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on gold here, I think. AJ 10 pips, nice. You caught it on that 15, maybe? Nice. Back up to 93073. Easy work. Easy peasy lemons.
AJ much better.
Yeah.
Oof, the GA looks great.
GA.
Looks great on 15 even. I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes closure.
Yeah, 6 minutes left.
That's like a textbook on 50 minutes.
Yeah. Textbook boy. Textbook boy.
But I'm gonna respect my plan for AJ.
Yeah, what?
I'm gonna respect my plan for AJ. Like a cent setup.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for hourly closure.
It's yen dropping again. Shit. Yen's getting
Yen's
pummeled,
melting.
man. Yen just doesn't want to stop dropping, boy. Damn, son. So GJ coming towards the resistance now. Yeah, I wanted a nice little closure here. Kind of just ran through that level. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe later on. Maybe through NY. I still don't like the higher time frames on GJ. So. Yeah, boy. Is gold gonna close? Oh, 5 minutes left. 5 minutes, yes. Let me get this little signal ready if we do. Looks like we may not close though, but we'll see, we'll see. May just do it. It's only 8:25. Shit, we got a lot of time, man. We got a lot of time.
Oh, the GG went up. Oof.
Yeah. It did. I think this next 4-hour candle, if it closes like above this area, would be a little bit nicer later on for me. I think. That's really good that people got AJ 10 pips. I like that, man. That's good work. Got in a bit later on, but it seemed to work pretty nicely. Told you, AJ's just nice, man. Still look at this 15 minutes. Don't just run off in the last 3 minutes. No, I already did the retracement before. It's gonna fucking launch. Close like that, bitch. Flirty vibes. Oh yes.
I'm so scared of gold. Yeah, gold scares me.
Don't be scared of gold, man.
Fuck, gold is cursed.
But like 1 week ago, a couple of weeks ago, you made fucking bank on gold. You made 80 pips on gold last Friday or Thursday.
Yeah, I know, but still, I hate it. I don't like the stops on gold and everything.
Yeah, we'll just change your percentage, boy. Hmm. 29 pips, 28 pips in the previous. Pip gain.
Max at the 30-minute res is like higher than the 15 res.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
Stupid, isn't it?
I might just push down all the way before I even have a chance to enter, which sucks. Did think with that retracement there at the 5 minute, it may just push.
We have a nice area to wick up from.
Yeah.
15 pips.
50 pipperoni. GJ, fucking has on some X game shit, man. Oh yeah. I swear to God, if this move goes 1 minute before the close, I'll laugh and close my laptop. Why did this GJ just come out of nowhere, man? Holy fuck. That 15 just closed bearish and was like, nope. Yeah, maybe Goldie. May not over here. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll see. 30 seconds left. Yeah, man, this zone has already pushed in pretty hard. That kind of sucks. Just a fundamental one. Yeah, I think this was maybe a bit of news. I think with the JPY, because AJ's also pushed up.
GG is looking good on daily. For the daily field. Weekly.
Sure is. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, if we close above 0.700, we have a clean range to 163,500.
Yeah.
Or 80.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I
And
got
AJ is looking the same.
yeah. AJ is looking pretty
Same resistance to the left.
yeah, pretty much. Oh, this looks nice, but fuck me, man. I already pushed up quite hard. Let's take a look at the stop. I can still maybe get it. How far is that? 30 minute? Yeah. It's still 10 pips. It's not horrendous. Give me more of a top wick, boy. If it doesn't give me like a top wick up here, I'm not gonna enter. I think it's pushed too far in for me to enter in just like that with no top wick. I want the rejection first here and then. Whew. So don't give me that. I'm not gonna do it. Gold sells now on the flip. Nope. Well, I'm not anyway. You could. It may work. Hey Max, have you ever taught someone close to you to trade? Oh, like a family member or something? No, not really actually. Someone at uni I have actually, yeah, but not like really close to me. Yeah. Needed to touch 921.33. Yeah, exactly. I want it to tap back up over here first, then flip. If it doesn't do that, then I'm not gonna take it. So looking like we really held that support, came all the way back up to 93070. So it looks like later on is going to be a nice area to take some trades from me, I think. It's going to be tasty. Oh, GA. Oof. There you go. Very key level on the daily time frame. I would not be selling into that. As you can see. Oh, exceeding the low over here may get a little drive, but for me there's nothing much of a wick. This pushed down way too much in the last minute or so, so yeah, kind of sucks, but hey ho. Maybe on the 5 minute. Well, no, that was 1 minute actually, shit. And there you go, pushing down nicely. Bear prevailing gold, yeah, exactly. There you go. Wow, so it did work actually pretty nicely here. 10 pips. Beautiful. Coming to 1918 like we expected. Very nice. If this was NY gold, would have made a nice top wick. Yeah, exactly. It was looking good, man. Just sometimes, you know, the good thing is the way it moved, right? So even if you can't get into trades here, I wanted this to close maybe there, then make a nice little top wick and then drive down there. It closed, you know, a little bit further into the zone, but the whole process of the trade, clean candles to the left, nice to take trades, and it worked. So, you know, the good thing is even if you don't take, you know, every single trade you see, if you see it, you know, you go, you know what, I was correct. It's just the entry over here for me is a bit harder. I mean, maybe you could have got in on the 5 minute exceeding the lows there, maybe, but it being quite aggressive, so I was happy with not taking that. So yeah, this GJ now, 30 minute did close bullish, the hourly is bullish. Look at the 4 hour, and the 4 hour it's come back up to 4 hour res, so hopefully in this next, you know, 4 hour candle we can close above. That would be nice. Who else took them gold sells? Not me. Did it hit 10 pips? Yeah, nice. Peace talks between Russia and Ukraine have started 5 minutes ago, so I stay away from gold. Has it? Peace talks. Let's take a look at the spreads on it. Spreads are still okay for the time being. Doesn't mean it's going to be there for long though. 72 likes today, guys. Wicked stuff. This is a good example of where, you know, if there's not really many entries, you know, you just gotta chill out, sit and relax. I got 0.5 gold. Nice.
I just saw this on Forex Factory as well. How has this made it onto
Wait, what is it?
on the chat, on the Zoom chat?
Alright, okay.
I saw that this morning.
Yeah, how is that made it? Jake Paul, top right.
What?
How is?
I guess it was a slow news day this morning.
Oh yeah. Why is this #1 headline garbage? That's funny. Make it red news. That's what said, fucking red folder news. That's quite funny. That's fucking hilarious. Did someone take these gold cells in the group? I think Ollie, are you in it? Oh, Brian's awake.
Champion people still.
Shit. Shark, bro. Wait, it's 2. Oh. Is that great? What kind of shark is that? Shit. I don't want to mess with them, boy. Gold. Those are babies still long. Wow, the baby shit. Wow, GJ has just came back down 23 pips. So yeah, looking like maybe a little bit of news is moving the markets right now. So just chill out, boy. A boxing match with actors. People are still saying it is fake, but I don't know about that. Doesn't look too fake that I saw. Can I still sell gold? If you're in the trade, then great. If you got in there, great. I think it should be stop loss to break even. Hope it continues. But I don't think getting in now is good. Why? Well, because look at the 30 minute. It's right at 30-minute support. So yeah, I would not be getting into a trade at 30-minute support. Even though the 15, you go, oh well, maybe I could squeeze some more out. No, you know, you got to get in on gold, not just in random areas. You know, you got to get in on the flips of the drives, which is here. If you take a look and replay this, and when we got in, 1 second, I'm just going to record this actually. Yeah, so, you know, when we took a look at getting into gold there, we wanted to get in on the exceeding of the lows here. Why was that? Because that's where we'll get the drive. Not here, not here, not on this top wick. When we get in on the low, because if you get in on the low, you get the drive. If you take a look at the 5-minute, you can see pretty much instantly we got 10 pips in a matter of well, we broke it down. We would have got 10 pips in a matter of seconds with no drawdown. So that's what you're looking for in gold. You're looking to take little pieces of gold with pretty much zero drawdown by getting in at the right times, the right places. Getting in now for sell here to try and, you know, catch this area for me is a no-go because you've got the drive now. You have to get in there. If you got in there now, you should expect price to continue down. However, you look at the 30-minute, and the 30-minute is right at the support. Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't really be getting in now. You got to get in when you either get in the flip with a big volume, just like what we did yesterday. So yeah, we did it yesterday. Looking like GG is then chilling back up, which makes sense, you know. Where did it kind of tap? Previous 4-hour resistance, so it's going to chill in this zone. And I'll get away for later on. Gold just in and out. I hate drawdown on gold. Yeah, me too. Drawdown on gold is not a vibe. Drawdown on gold is painful. Very much painful. Who else took those gold cells? So I think a lot of people took the
Champion
gold cells.
pips enter a trade on gold.
Oh, nice. Where does it stop?
Yeah. Above that zone.
Shout out the. Let's take a look over here. Shout out Champion Pips, man. You're doing good. He's only started as well, so it's nice to see him.
Yeah, he's great.
Let's take a look. Yeah, so he just had to stop in the previous zone. Nice. Yeah, it was good. ballsy enough to put his stops in the previous zone, eh?
Yeah.
Someone saying GJ buys? No. GJ buys were long gone. GJ buys maybe on this 30-minute flip after it made a lower wick, potentially. Apart from that, I do not think so. I do not think so. Should potentially continue down, but as I said, the 30-minute is a stronger level of support, so it may just sit here. So if you've got your 10 pips here, well done. It's pretty much in and out quickly. That's what you got to do, man. 10 pips, if you had like one lot on there, you just made 100 quid in the space of 2 seconds. Which is more than someone's wage for the whole week, whole year, not week, fucking hell, the whole day. I already closed my MT5, only trading NY, yeah, I don't think there's much for me to potentially take, but I'm gonna chill in here for a second. We'll play Wordle, actually. Did we do the one yesterday? Yeah, I think we did, didn't we? We smashed it, I think. Shit. A-E-I-O-U, and then okay, so we've got an A in this. Oof, this GJ move up looks like a retest on the 4 hour, for move it downwards later on, maybe. Yeah, potentially, you know. Looking like that was kind of maybe a news push, because it kind of came out of nowhere. Maybe. Doesn't have an E, but
Oh.
Cabin. Nah, wait, is that green?
No, it's yellow.
Yeah,
so can't use cabin.
Yeah. Can't use cabin. Poach. Poach is a good one. Nice. So A's in the middle. A is in the middle.
Short.
Short.
It's got an H.
Ah, it's got a C. It doesn't have a C.
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Chart would have been nice. Chart would have been nice.
It's not gonna be shard again. Like when all the photos thought it was.
Wait, what?
I get one. I'll type it. Wait.
Short.
Yeah. When everybody. No, not with a
could.
T, with a D.
Wait, what?
With a D. Not with a T at the back.
Oh, shark.
Fucking dirty.
Shark. Look,
Yeah,
shark.
or with a D.
Shard. Oh, yeah. Shard.
Yeah, that one. When
How
everybody
did-
thought it was.
Oh, shit. Shart.
Shaft.
Shaft.
Yeah. Try that one.
Oh, I thought we had it then. Shit. Oh,
Tom has one
shit.
in the chat.
Shall. Shall. Shash. Oh my god, these are for some outlandish words.
No, but you.
Shall. I shall. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
We're too fucking good at this game. I haven't had one yet where we can't get it. Easy. It's too easy. Too easy. Oh my god! If this candle's coming back below from that move, holy shit! So look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, hourly flipping bearish now. Damn. That is interesting. Yeah, it looks like yeah, for me this move here kind of came out of nowhere because we did close bearish and then just kind of rocketed up. 30 minutes still looked okay, but yeah, nothing too bad.
I've got to go now. I see you guys at New York.
See you in New York, my man. See you later, alligator. Yeah, ADJPY as well, coming back down. Gold years. Thanks for stream, Max, boys. Drop a like on the stream. Yeah, man. Make sure to drop a like on the stream. Takes 2 seconds out of your day. Helps us out. And also make sure to put on a story of me on Instagram of you on the stream. That'd be pretty cool. So yeah, 50-minute club's bearish. Brian, are you want to sell this bitch back all the way down? Let's go look at the 30. Yeah, I think later on maybe it's going to be a little bit better on GG, because at the moment it's kind of stuck in its little area. Patience pay off. Don't waste capital on bad setups. Exactly. Don't waste it. Don't waste your time. There's no point. There's absolutely no reason to. No reason. Yeah, so I think I might leave it off over here, guys. There's going to be no trade setups now until NY, I think. GJ's in that zone. I don't want to be playing now. If I haven't taken a trade already and I'm looking to take trades now, then it's not my own, you know, analysis. It's kind of like FOMO you want to get in, so there's no need to do that. Gold did what I wanted to do, just kind of pushed down a bit too further and far enough for me, which kind of sucks. And then AJ over here just in a range. So I think later on would be nice. Max, just a head up there. It might be a fake account of you on Instagram. Yeah, it is. It's a fake account, my man. Just delete it. Fake account. But yeah, Zoom, I'll see you at 10 o'clock for the simulation session. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos. See you later, guys. I'll see you at 11:30 or 12 o'clock. Peace out. Peace out. Adios.
Hey, Max.
Amigos. See you later, guys. See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much. Make sure to like the stream before you leave, and I'll see you later. Make sure to come and join the mentorship if you want to learn how to properly trade, if you need some guidance. I'm always there one-to-one with everyone in the group. It's only $49.99 a month, and you get the NY sessions. You get all of the signals in the chat, and you'll be ready to go. So yeah, guys, there's the link there posted right now. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, man. Adios.